Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick beat on this black smoky eye that I have going on here. This is more of a lighter black smoky eye. I feel like there's so many different kinds of smoky eyes that you can do, whether it's all over the lid or just so many kinds of looks. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, then let me know by leaving a comment below. But I had someone request that I do a dark smoky eye, so this is what I created today, and if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Alright you guys, I'm sorry if I look a little bit crazy. I just got done filming one video, so I tried to take as much of my eye makeup off as I could, and then I had to scrub a red lip off, so that's why I look a little bit crazy. But for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick beat video because I already have my face done, and I'm going to be doing a black smoky eye today. So this is going to be a true challenge because, as we all know, when working with dark shadows, you get a lot of fallout, and that potentially ruins your makeup sometimes. However, I'm going to be showing you guys a trick on how to stop that from happening. So let's jump into today's video. Let's see, what am I looking for? Powder. So what I do whenever I already have my face makeup done and I'm going in with darker shadows, I always take a bit of translucent powder. So today I'm just going to be using my RCMA No Color powder, and I take a sponge or a brush and I just pack on that powder under my eyes almost as if I were going to be baking. And what happens is if there's any powder or eyeshadow that falls onto your face there, when you sweep that powder away, it's just going to completely erase it and your makeup will be perfectly fine. So just make sure you're putting this in the right area depending on how far out you're going to be blending your shadows, or depending on how far it might fall down onto your face. I'm going to go right under my eye right here, and then I'm going to bring it down a little bit as well, just in case anything falls down a bit farther that I'm covered. Just like that, and then a little bit on my nose because the girl got oily skin, okay? Okay, so a little bit ago I had someone request that I do a video on a black smoky eye, so I thought, you know what, today is the day we're gonna go in and do this black smoky eye. So for my transition area today, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is a Makeup Geek shadow in the shade Bake Sale. So I'm gonna be putting this in my transition area, which is right in between your brow bone and your lid area, right above that crease. This is called the transition area because all of the shadows kind of blend up into that area, therefore you transition the shadows there, if that makes sense. I hope it does. Alright, so now that I have that shade down, I'm going to dip into my Makeup Geek shadow in the shade Faux Fur, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to start to work this through my crease and a little bit onto the outer corner area, just to start to shape out that smoky eye and just to get a nice layout of where I want to put those darker colors. Alright, so now dipping into my Urban Decay Born to Run palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Drift right there, which is more of a shimmery gray shade, and I'm going to start to work this on the outer corner, and then I'm going to bring it slowly in towards the lid. Now I'm just going to be taking a black shadow. I'm going to be using the shade Noir by Anastasia, and I'm just going to work this into my very outer corner with a pencil brush. And I'm going to slowly bring this in until I'm happy with the dramatic effect that it's giving or the intensity of the look. You can use as little of this or as much of this as you want. This is really where the look becomes your own because you get to control how smoky your look gets. Okay, so now it's starting to look a little bit scary, but just stick with me. This is where we're going to go in and fine tune everything. I just kind of wanted to get a map of where I'm going to be having these colors. So now I'm going to go in and just kind of clean up the lid with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm kind of going to cut the crease with this, but I'm not going for a cut crease effect. I'm just going to go right up to that crease line and then just conceal the lid so that I can go in and create a nice gradient effect on the rest of the lid. I'm going to go back in with that Makeup Geek shadow in the shade Faux Fur, and I'm just going to put this right in between the concealer and the black shade. So I'm just going to take the shade Tempera from my Soft Glam palette and go and put this on the front of my lid and then blend it back into that black shade, and then blend that black shade into that lid shade so that everything is blended nicely. And I really hope that makes sense, but this look is all about going back in with the shades that we're using and just working with them until they create the perfect blend. I'm going to put some of that translucent powder on the very outer corner of my eye there just to clean it up a bit. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is wipe away that powder from under my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe gel liner in the shade Slate, and I'm going to do a wing with this. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is put on a quick coat of mascara, and I will be using my NARS Climax mascara today. And then I'm going to be putting on my Nelo Cosmetics lashes in the style Ava. Now I'm going to go in and line my lower waterline with some black liner. And then I'm going to go in with some black shadow and blend this out. This step is up to you as to how much you want to smoke out your lower lash line. I'm not sure how smoky I'm going to go today, but I'm just going to slowly build this up until I'm happy with how dramatic it is. So now I'm just going to put a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. For lips today, I'm super excited. I'm going to be using a new lip product. This is the Dose of Colors collaboration with I Love Sada E here on YouTube, and I'm going to be using her liquid lip in the shade Nude Chica. I'm just going to go around and line my lips with my Morphe lip liner in the shade Bite Me. Alright, so this completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I just realized I didn't highlight my brow bone. I'm going to take the shade Tempera that we used on the lid, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with this because I forgot to do that. Alright, so this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. Feel free to leave a comment below letting me know what you thought of this look or what you would like to see from me next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't sick of me yet and feel like subscribing. I would not be mad about it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.